Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So today I'm gonna show you my Arduino Uno stepper motor. So after this breakdown of the code, I'm gonna show you the actual output of the stepper motor at the end of this video. So stay tuned. So let's get right into the code. So in this sketch here, we have the initialization and library, which would be the include stepper.h. So this imports the standard Arduino library that handles the complex timing required to move a stepper motor. We also have the define steps 100. So this defines how many steps motor takes to complete one full 360 rotation. So we also have the stepper here. So this creates the motor object. So the object steps would be 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number is correspond to the digital pin on the Arduino Uno that connected to the motor driver, and last and the void setup here. So the void setup have the stepper that's set speed. So that set speed is 90. So the value is 90. So this sets the motor rotation speed to 90 rpm, or rotations per minute. So this determines how snappy the motor feels when I turn the knob. And lastly, we have the logic here. So we have the void loop. So the loop functions word is the differential movement logic. So we have the analog grid 0 here. So this reads the voltage from a potentiometer on pin analog 0. It returns a value between 0 and 1023. And we also have the val here, the stepper that step val, and dash previous. So this code line is the clever bit of the code. Instead of telling the motor to go to a position 500, the step function says move x steps. So if the knob was at 100 previously, and when I turn it to 150 val, the motor moves to 50 steps. And we also have the precious equals val. So this saves the current position. So the next time the loop runs, it knows how far the knob since the last check. So I think that's it. So I'm gonna show you the output of this stepper motor in a minute. So this is the stepper motor output. So as you can see, the motor is rotating, and I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, like the video, and subscribe. Thank you.